My sourdough starter is popping. So I fed it at 8 a.m. and it's almost noon. Look at that growth.
Drive the same roads every day. We both get there our own way. Thistle and an apple tree, how different two souls can be. But we both grow from the same sorrow. If we both know we'll be together tomorrow, I can be like a tree in the wind. Same old roots, but I can bend, turning to understand and sway together. Now it's almost like a dance, the rendering of stubbornness, and it just cuts us deeper through the longer I'm away from you. Yeah, we fight good, we make love better if we both know we'll be together forever. I can be like the tree in the wind, same old roots, but I can bend, learning to understand and sway together. Nothing worth having comes easy, baby. Nothing worth having comes easy, baby. Nothing worth having comes easy, baby. Yeah, we fight good, we make love better if we both know we'll be together forever. We can be like the trees in the wind, same old roots, but we can bend, learning to understand and sway together. We can be like the trees in the wind, same old roots, but we can bend, learning to understand and sway together. Till the end.
All right, I like to sit on the counter for like an hour and a half. I'm gonna fold it one more time and then I'm gonna put it in the fridge overnight and cook it in the morning. Dun dun. Dun dun.
Nobody's losing. Faces merge and change, but your face remains the same. The swallows will be here by dawn. And when we're finally sober, they'll be gone.
Here we go.
The trees will bloom and the ice will melt.
Probably could have cooled a little longer.
We'll always remember.
Cheers. Delicious. So you're supposed to let your bread cool for like up to an hour afterwards because it's still baking on the inside, but Dylan just couldn't wait. The outside is so good. But that is how I make sourdough. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. Subscribe if you haven't. Follow me on Instagram if you haven't. You'll see the behind the scenes of the sourdough making and everything else. But thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.
And in the eyes of time, nobody's losing. The